Okay. This is geometric progression. So under geometric progression, let's look at this question which came in 2019 paper 2, internal, under question 2b. So the question reads, given the geometric progression for 816, find the geometric mean of 256 and 1024. So to find geometric mean, we use this formula. Geometric mean is equals to plus or minus square root of AC. So where A is the first number and C the second number. So what you do, we substitute A as 256 multiplied by C as 1024. So from there, what we do, we multiply 256 by 1024. That will be 262,144. So what we do now, we find the square root. So the square root of this one, that is 512. So the geometric mean will be either a positive 512 or negative 512. That is how we get the geometric mean. Next question, we are requested to find the 11th term. So to find the 11th term, first of all, we have to identify the following. Number one, A. Where A, this is the first term. So the first term in the given sequence is 4. Then from there, R, which is also known as common ratio, which is given by second term divided by first term. So the second term is 8 divided by first term 4. So 8 divided by 4, that is 2. So the common ratio is 2. From there now, to find the 11th term, we use this formula. The nth term, Tn is equals to AR to the power n minus 1, where n will be 11, because we are looking for the 11th term, so which is T11 is equals to our A, first term is 4, multiplied by R, common ratio, that is 2 to the power n, which is 11 minus 1. So for the first time, first evaluate this side, don't multiply 4 by 2, so you drop down 4, multiply by 2 to the power 11 minus 1, that is 10. Then this will be 4 times 2 to the power 10, that is 1024. Then from there we multiply 1024 by 4. The result will be 4096. So that is the 11th term. Next, we are requested to find sum of the first 11 terms. So to find sum of the first 11 terms, what we do, this is, so what we do, we have two formulas on sum. First thing, we check our common ratio. If it is less than 1 or greater than 1. So since our common ratio is greater than 1, so we use this formula, Sn, this is question 3, Sn is equals to A, open bracket, R to the power n, then minus 1, close, divided by R minus 1. So where n is 11, because we are looking for sum of 11 terms, which will be equal to A, our first term in the sequence is 4. Common ratio R is 2. To the power n, we are looking for 11 terms, which is 11. Then minus 1, close, divided by our common ratio is 2. Then minus 1. So next, what we do first, let's evaluate inside. What is 2 to the power 11? So 2 to the power 11, it will give us 20,000, that is 20,048, or 2048, then minus 1, divided by 2 minus 1, the result will be 1, so this will be 4, open brackets, 2048 minus 1, that will be 2047, divided by 1. So we multiply 4 by 2047, it will give us, that is 8,188. So divided by 1, the result will be 8,188. So that is how we calculate sum of the first 11 terms from this sequence. Then it ends there.